car sucks.
Yep. Going home.
This we have something to look forward to on the way up.
Yeah, going home. It's like, what are we gonna do? Work.
Back at work.
At least my job's fun. Meanwhile, somewhere in the middle of nowhere, this guy's been farting the whole way.
Not yet.
You don't have to point at him, Pops. I'm aiming at him.
Okay.
It's not an audio book. Pops is gonna slap me. He's gonna be that parent. He's gonna be like, damn kids. Are we there yet? Really, Tyler? You had to lay your seat all the way back. What the fuck, Chuck?
Gotta drive from the B post.
I thought only Big T drives like that.
I can hardly reach the wheel. Are we there yet?
I'm smushed and I have to pee. Where are we going?
Siri wasn't fucking around when she said, continue straight for 127 miles. Come over that hill, it's another bit.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of jack shit out here.
What a bitch.
Are you watching adult films, right?
NASCAR.
He's watching the NASCAR on the phone. Pops is just getting ready to backhand me.